ultra-secret military technology you didn't know existed. The RCVL system, developed by ConneQ US and Pratt Miller, is a diesel-electric hybrid platform weighing approximately 10 tons and capable of reaching speeds of 40 miles per hour while carrying a maximum payload of up to 7,000 pounds. It's equipped with remotely operated weapon stations for both offensive and defensive maneuvers. The first RCVL was delivered to GVSC on November 5, 2020, marking a significant milestone in industry and government collaboration on the RVC program after 8 months of hard work. The RCVL is an unmanned ground combat vehicle, UGCV, specifically designed to meet the program's unique requirements. It builds on the robust experience of Pratt Miller's Expeditionary Modular Autonomous Vehicle, EMAV, and uses ConneQ's modular open system architecture, MOSA robotic control systems, to provide high flexibility and adaptable payload capacity. And that's not all, because if you're impressed by the RCVL, prepare to take it to the next level with ROSI, the game-changing smoke protection system for military and civil defense. The Rheinmetall ROSI smoke protection system represents a significant advance in the defense of military and civilian vehicles against unforeseen threats. Its rapid response and ability to create an instantaneous wide-area smoke screen with multispectral coverage effectively protect vehicles and their crews in critical situations, such as ambushes during patrols or convoys. Unlike other systems, ROSI provides full 360-degree protection, meaning it can counter attacks from any direction, whether in a stream or a wave. Its ability to generate dynamic and long-lasting smoke not only conceals the position of the vehicles, but also hinders enemy target acquisition. In addition, ROSI goes further by integrating interference and deception effects in both the visual and infrared spectrums, making it highly effective against a wide range of threats, including optical weapons and laser measurement systems. This provides crews with an additional layer of protection against both conventional and advanced attacks, ensuring their safety on the battlefield and in high-risk situations. If you were impressed by this military equipment, get ready, because the next one will blow your mind. Have you ever wanted unparalleled thermal vision? The Teledyne FLIR ThermoSight Hiss HD is a device that'll take any shooter's skills to the next level. The ThermoSight Hiss HD represents a significant leap in thermal sighting technology, offering the precision shooter an unparalleled tool in terms of versatility, performance, and accuracy. With its advanced thermal imaging technology, this device allows users to identify and engage targets with exceptional clarity, even in the most challenging and difficult environments. Designed to increase the range and accuracy of shooters, the ThermoSight Hiss HD is lightweight and easy to use, making it an ideal choice for tactical missions and precision operations. Its ability to detect targets at over 2,200 meters provides shooters with a significant tactical advantage, allowing them to identify and neutralize potential threats before they become a real danger. Furthermore, Teledyne FLIR, the company behind this innovative device, has decades of experience in developing intelligent sensor technologies and unmanned systems. With a team of experts worldwide, they are committed to providing advanced solutions that save lives and improve safety in a variety of environments and applications. But if this was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much, if not more. Looking to discover a specialized laboratory for developing innovative military technology? At Galvian, the passion for providing leading solutions and cutting-edge equipment goes beyond a mere business mission. Their commitment is rooted in the fervent desire to enhance the capability and safety of modern fighters and tactical operators worldwide. With a vision focused on innovation, they are constantly exploring new frontiers in material application, technology integration, and weight reduction to deliver products that drive survival on the battlefield. Every step they take in their design, development, and delivery of top-tier head systems and energy and data management solutions is done with a clear purpose: to protect and empower those on the front lines. But their commitment goes beyond mere equipment manufacturing. At the core of their work lies a deep understanding of the human impact of their work. Every innovation, every technological advancement has the potential to make a difference between life and death for those facing dangerous situations day in and day out. Are you eager to discover a groundbreaking advance in military engineering technology? The next equipment has just the answer. Now, a revolutionary advance in military technology, the Sectional Personnel Bridge, SPB system, is a mobile and modular bridge solution that provides a rapid response for infantry troops or emergency forces to traverse dry or wet obstacles on foot. Combat tested by the United States Marine Corps, the SPB can cover dry gaps of up to 36 meters without the need for intermediate support. To cross wet obstacles, floats are required every 20 meters, with anchors as needed. Installation is quick and simple, without the need for equipment or personnel on the opposite shore. A 36-meter bridge can be assembled in just 10 minutes. Additionally, the bridge can be launched and recovered from both ends. The aluminum sections of the bridge are transported on a truck-mounted palletized load system, PLS, which includes roller supports, floats, and drop rollers. No special equipment or tools are required. Each modular section, which is 4 meters long and weighs 43 kilograms, must be carried by 2 soldiers. The capacity of the bridge, i.e. the number of fully equipped troops that can simultaneously cross at fixed intervals, varies depending on the length of the bridge. Ready to see how airborne operations are taken to the next level? The Vapor Unmanned Aerial Vehicle is your ticket to military innovation. With its exceptional adaptability and all-electric design, it's ready to change the game. The Vapor Unmanned Aircraft System represents the power of military innovation, offering exceptional adaptability to meet a wide range of mission requirements. Its all-electric design ensures precise flight performance and outstanding endurance, making it an ideal choice for military, commercial, and industrial applications. The highlight of the Vapor is its modular payload bay, which allows the integration of a wide range of sensors and auxiliary equipment, from electro-optical and infrared observation systems to communications equipment and cargo delivery systems. In addition, the efficiency of its design is reflected in its ability to carry payloads of up to 10 pounds for over 70 minutes of continuous flight, while maintaining a maximum takeoff weight of 55 pounds, in accordance with FAA regulations for commercial customers. For military applications requiring greater payload capacity, the Vapor 55MX model offers an option with a maximum takeoff weight of 65 pounds and the ability to carry up to 20 pounds of payload with only a slight reduction in flight autonomy. With the option of additional batteries, the Vapor 55MX can achieve an impressive flight autonomy of up to 105 minutes. This is fantastic, but who says border patrol and surveillance can't be comfortable and reliable? This compact yet rugged vehicle will prove you wrong. Let's explore the latest in military technology, designed specifically to meet the needs of surveillance, law enforcement, and border patrol agencies. The Hudson Recon is an optimal choice. This compact yet reliable vehicle offers excellent maneuverability and ease of transport. In warmer climates, occupants can enjoy the additional air conditioning and exhaust fan for a comfortable environment. Based on the reliable Toyota Land Cruiser 79 platform, the Hudson Recon ensures parts availability and economical maintenance, making it ideal for large fleets in remote areas. Powered by a powerful 4.5-liter turbocharged V8 diesel engine that produces 202 horsepower and 317 pound-foot of torque, the Hudson Recon offers effective and agile performance, allowing for quick responses when needed. The Toyota Land Cruiser 79 platform is known for its exceptional reliability and performance, making it an excellent choice for this vehicle. INKS engineers have carefully designed the Hudson Recon, prioritizing build quality, off-road capability, occupant comfort, and ease of operation. A masterpiece, but it's only a small sample. Want to see a versatile aerial delivery solution? Well, this next product will fascinate you. RAM-T is an innovative and revolutionary solution that offers unparalleled versatility in aerial cargo delivery. Its modular and highly adaptable design makes it the perfect choice for a wide range of applications, from the delivery of communications equipment and defense technologies to the distribution of humanitarian aid in hard-to-reach areas. With the RAM-T, it's possible to configure different delivery systems, whether by tandem cable parachute, conventional systems, or guided systems, depending on the specific mission requirements. In addition to its ability to deliver a variety of payloads, RAM-T is unique in its adaptability. It can be adapted to accommodate custom-designed containers that ensure the safe delivery of any type of cargo, from unmanned systems to medical supplies and essential commodities. This makes it an invaluable tool for responding to different situations and operational scenarios, providing a flexible and efficient solution for cargo delivery needs worldwide. With its intelligent design and adaptability, the RAM-T offers a new dimension in aerial cargo delivery, providing fast and secure access to remote and hard-to-reach areas. Its unmatched versatility and ability to meet a wide range of requirements make the RAM-T a leading choice in aerial logistics for both military and civilian applications. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much, if not more. We're talking about pure innovation, designed to overcome any obstacle and ensure superiority on the battlefield. The Uprise Tactical Exoskeleton, A high-tech military innovation that redefines defense is a game-changer in the military field by addressing one of the most important significant challenges soldiers face, carrying heavy loads. By providing a support structure that efficiently redistributes weight, this device allows soldiers to carry all the equipment necessary for their missions without compromising their mobility or ability to respond quickly to changing situations on the battlefield. The importance of reducing the soldier's load lies in the direct impact it has on their performance and well-being. Musculoskeletal injuries associated with carrying heavy loads can limit the warfighter's ability to perform their mission effectively, which in turn can affect mission success and equipment safety. By integrating technologies such as the Uprise Tactical Exoskeleton, military forces can significantly improve the working conditions of their soldiers and ensure their ability to perform their missions in challenging environments and situations. Which was your favorite?